video. I wasn't gonna record today, but I was like, why not, you know? But as of right now, bruh, shit, look at that Cadillac V2, I think. I'm not sure, but as of right now, we're going to full-blown performance just because I'm gonna try to see if they could figure out this fuel pump problem that I have. I was supposed to take it to some dude in Victorville that my tuner recommended me to, but he lagged it today. He said he was supposed to do it Monday, which is today, and he never replied. I was blowing him up and he never replied, and I had to text my tuner because my tuner knows him. So basically my tuner connected me to him. So I told my tuner, can you give him a call, you know, tell him what's up, or like, am I able to go or what? And he ended up telling my tuner to tell me to just go Friday because he has a lot of work. So yeah, man, I don't know. So I'm gonna go to full blown and see what they tell me, see if they can. If they can't, see if they could give me like options to do, bro, because at this point, I mean, my only option is to get a fuel tank from like a 2020 or 2019, swap mine out and put that one in, and from there I could like put the 525 fuel pump, if not the DW400 fuel pump. But yeah, man, I don't know. As of right now, we're just gonna get to full blown and see what's up. Damn, it's just like strong ass ski. Alright, y'all, so we made it out. He gave us a whole breakdown of what we had to get or whatever, and they can make it happen. Alright, so basically what they told me is that there is no solution out there for the 21 Dodge Charger that has the different fuel pumps. So what they do is they just like do their own little, what you want to say, they do their little thing to make it work, you know. They can make it work. They've done it to like 3 other RTs with the same problem. So what they do is I have to order this 4 Innovation dual pump kit from either 797 or 4 Innovation themselves, and I have to buy from AutoZone like this secondary fuel pump, I think that's what it's called, for they could drill into it, block off the evac holes or something like that, and like basically make it work. So I'm gonna have to do that. This other guy, I'm gonna have to like, you know, call him off or whatever, just cause I don't know if he thought it was, he told me to buy this fuel pump with installation kit, but on the RT fuel pumps, you can't take out the fuel pump that's currently in there. So yeah, now we have to get that 4 Innovation, and it's gonna take even longer because oh my god, bro, it's a stress with this damn fuel system for this car. You don't understand. Like, if I would have known. But it is what it is. At the end of the day, we're just gonna order that kit. I'm gonna try to sell, well, now I'm selling the 525 Hellcat fuel pump with the installation kit. If anybody wants it, DM me. I could ship it out to y'all if y'all want to ship out, but y'all are gonna have to pay the shipping price. I always do that. So yeah, let me know if y'all want that. Yeah, man. But anyways, right now we're gonna go eat just because we haven't ate at all. I need to check it out though, because it's starting to smell like fuel. I don't know if it's because of right here I don't have like a little cap, or the cap is broken so you can smell it, or because I'm leaking fuel up here. I don't smell nothing right here. I mean, I topped it off. I did top it off earlier because I thought I was going to Victorville, but yeah, that could be the reason why it smells. I mean, it's not leaking nowhere. I'm pretty sure I would have seen like something dripping or something, but I don't see nothing, like no leakage, no nothing. So it'll probably just be because it's like topped off and I don't have like no back seats, you know, and all that. But yeah, man, as y'all can see off the 40 row, this thing moves, bro. It moves. It might not look like it on camera, but yeah, bro, this thing moves. If y'all were sitting in the car, y'all be like, damn, you know, for a 5.7, that's crazy. But I posted a video of me racing this 5.0. I don't know if y'all from Instagram, y'all seen it. I have posted me racing a 5.0, and I got a bunch of comments, like a hate comments. I don't know why. I don't know why I can't just get my respect, you know? Like, it's a 5.7, bruh. They're known to be slow, bruh. And for a 5.7 to keep up with a 5.0, that should be like, I should get my respect for that, you know? Because not a lot of 5.7s out here are keeping up with these 5.0s, you get me? But I don't know, I got a lot of bash for it, saying that the guy let off, that the guy missed third. Or they're either telling me like, oh, now race a boosted 5.0, you're gonna get your shit gapped, you know? Like, just hate comments. Like, I don't know, bro. I mean, it really don't matter to me. I don't let it get to my head, you know, because it's just people on the social media just talking, you know? I don't know, they just kept making excuses for the guy or for the 5.0, so I was like, you know what? We could run it back. Not on no like enemy type shit. Like, cool, you know, like just keep it cool, run it back. You know, if he wins, oh well. If I win, I win. I'm not saying 5.0s are slow. I just raced it and posted it, and people are like flipping the script, you know, saying that 5.0s are slow, like this and that. Like, nah, bro. I just raced the 5.0, and you know, I took him. I mean, if he missed third, that's his fault, you know? It's a race. There shouldn't be no excuses. Like, y'all see him take off before me. I catch up to him. If he misses third, then that's his fault. That's not my fault. Get an automatic if you don't want to be losing races like that, you know? But I don't know, man. That was that. I also raced a scat, as y'all seen, and I took the scat like nothing. I don't know, bruh. I feel like I should get a little bit more respect because it's a 5.7, and I came a long way on building it. But you know, these social media people, they want to bash on everything. So I don't know, bruh. I might cut the video here, depending. I'm not sure, but I'll keep y'all updated. Alright, we're back at it again, bruh. I hate doing these separated clips, you know, but we might have found a solution right now. I was talking to some guy that was partying out a Hellcat. No, it was not stolen, because I already know, oh, it was a stolen Hellcat. No, it was not a stolen Hellcat. He was partying out his Hellcat. I guess he like crashed it or something. But I asked him, I was like, F it, why not? I asked him if he had the fuel tank still. He said yes. He said give me an offer. I was just messing around. I told him $200. He was like, I'll take it. I was like, sheesh. So we're gonna go pick it up right now. It's a fuel tank off a Hellcat. It has the fuel pumps, both of them on both sides, secondary and primary. The only thing is that the hose in the back of the tank, I guess they like ripped it off, or like it ripped or something. So hopefully the one on our tank, on the RT tank, fits that one. It should. I mean, it's coming off a charger, so everything should just be plug and play, you know. Hopefully this works, crossing fingers, bro, because if not, it's $200 down the drain. I mean, it's not a bad deal. I would have copped one off eBay or like Mopar, and it would have cost me like $1,800 for a new one. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get there and I'm gonna let y'all know. All right, y'all. So he's here. I don't know where, but he said he's looking for us. Well, yeah, man, we're gonna cop this. I don't know what to do anymore, bro. My tuner literally just hit me up saying that they made this new fuel pump, but we don't know if it's gonna work. But it's for the 2020s to 2023s. But I'ma just do the Hellcat tank first, bro, since I'm already here. And if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna try that pump. I don't know what to try anymore, but we ain't gonna give up, but we're gonna get this on the dyno. Boom, so we made it back home. We got the gas tank, or fuel tank, my bad. Nah, same shit. But yes, we got it. I was looking at the gas tank, and that one has the same one as the current one that I have on here. But this is where you fill up, right here. And this is like the primary, that's the secondary. So as long as the primary doesn't have that evap hose that goes somewhere around here, we're good. So I'm gonna try to slap this on when I don't know, because I told him how hard was it to take it off. He said that he had to lower the suspension, obviously the exhaust, you know, but hopefully I don't have to lower the suspension, because he said you might not have to, but I don't know. We're gonna try to figure this out, man. If not, I'm gonna have someone install it for me. But yeah, man, we got the gas tank, and right now I'm gonna leave this for another video, but I'm gonna let y'all know right now that we are gonna go pick up some carbon fiber parts. For what, I'm not gonna tell y'all, but I'm gonna put it out there on the next video for y'all to see. But yeah, we secured the fuel tank. We're gonna put it on, hopefully, cross fingers. Oh my god, bruh, hopefully this works, because finding a solution for this car and this fuel pump thing is such a pain in the ass, you know. But man, hopefully we get this. I know I did tell y'all that I was gonna run that kit that Full Blown Performance told me, but bro, that's like 4 bands, bro, 4 bands altogether. So I was like, I'm gonna try to see if I could do this first, and if this works, I'm gonna just run this. But if it doesn't work, then yeah, I'm gonna have to buy that damn for innovation and all that other stuff for them to do it. But we're gonna give this a try. I picked it up for $200, super cheap. There's nothing wrong with it, just that this hose, they did cut it because it was in the way. But I'm gonna just put on my stock one. It should be fine. It came off a charger, like I said, so we should be Gucci there. Yeah, man, I'm gonna probably take this off just to see if I could put on the 525 Hellcat fuel pump on there, and yeah, that should be it. I'll see y'all on the next banger, I guess. Deuces.